here we are again, installing some shit. We putting on the RS injectors, spool decide to run out. So I'm putting these on for now until I can get those ones. See, I don't know how long it's gonna take because I don't have the puller, but we gonna see. So I got this side out. This is what they look like side by side. I don't really see it. I mean, slightly bigger, I think. I'm gonna just change all of them. If y'all do this by yourself, don't forget to transfer this and this little piece. And when you doing this shit, you gotta do some shit, all right? Yo, this one bolt, like who puts, look at this shit. How do you get to that? What is that? How? Took this off to get to that. Finally got all 6 of the RS injectors on. I'm about to tune it and see how that shit is. Well, the car starts now, you know what I'm saying? Everything seems fine. It's not throwing a code or nothing. Later in the night right now, I'm gonna do a starter just so y'all can hear it. That shit idles crazy, yo. You hear that? That shit idles